Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with explosive catalysts. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering VELO 3D, ticker VELO, a leader in advanced metal 3D printing technology, delivering fully integrated solutions for mission critical parts in aerospace, defense, energy, and industrial markets without needing redesigns. Blockbuster news hit today, December 22nd. VELO 3D secured a $32.6 million contract from the U.S. Department of Defense's Innovation Unit to address critical manufacturing bottlenecks. Simultaneously, the company announced a $30 million private placement, issuing shares at $8.25 to strengthen its balance sheet. The market is erupting. Shares are surging over 20% pre market to around $13, building on recent momentum after the NASDAQ uplisting and Q3 results. With this defense win accelerating growth in high margin applications, VELO is positioning strongly in additive manufacturing. Is this a catalyst for sustained upside? Share your thoughts below. Buy the news, hold, or caution. Like for more 3D printing and tech alerts, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. And we'll see you in the next one.